Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video I will show you how to install Git on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin, open your preferred internet browser and search for Git download. Navigate to the official Git website, which is typically the first result. On the website, select your operating system. For Windows, you will want to choose the standalone installer. Click on the Git for Windows x64 setup to download the installer file. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and open the executable file. You will then proceed through the installation steps. In most cases, you do not need to change any of the default settings. Simply click Next through each screen, accepting the default configurations. Continue clicking Next until you reach the Install button. Click on Install to begin the installation process.
I am here in the middle of nowhere. There is no there, it is cold there, but I am safe and I am warm.
After the installation finishes, you can uncheck the box that launches Git Bash or other tools if you prefer, and then click Finish. Now, there is one additional important step. Open the Windows Start menu and search for Environment Variables. Click on the option to edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, select the Environment Variables button. Within the Environment Variables window, locate and select the path variable, and then click the Edit button. We need to add the Git command line tools to this list of system paths. To do this, open File Explorer, navigate to your C drive, then double-click on Program Files, followed by the Git folder, and finally the CMD folder. Once you are inside the CMD folder, click on the address bar at the top of File Explorer to highlight and copy the full path to this directory. Return to the Environment Variables window where you were editing the path variable. Click on the New button and paste the copied path into the New entry field. Press Enter to confirm the addition. Click OK to save these path changes. Then click OK again to close the Environment Variables window. For these changes to take effect, you must restart your computer. After your computer has restarted, open the Start menu once more and search for Terminal. Click on the Windows Terminal application. Inside the Terminal window, type Git and press Enter. If you see output indicating the Git version and usage information, it means Git has been installed and configured correctly on your Windows 11 system. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.